At the internship, you meet people from all over the world, and that gives you a huge network of contacts, which is one of the biggest benefits you get out of it. So when we arrived to India, when we arrived to Chandigarh, everything was supposed to be perfect. And I was sightseeing and we were having welcome party and everything was supposed to be great till the time when Monday came. And we got to know that the sponsor resigned. So there won't be any project for us. And in this moment I felt a bit frustrated because I was the only person who was an ISACer there. And most of the people were pretty scared, they didn't know what to do, that was kind of their first time abroad, their first time in India. We were searching for any kind of other sponsors, organizations, we were calling everyone we could. In the end it took us around a week, but we found finally another sponsor and the project could go on. And that was pretty amazing because I never thought that I would go to such a country as India and I will have to find the sponsorships to do the kind of an ISAC job I'm doing here. And I'm so much motivated and I'm so much into sharing this experience because it's simply amazing. And somehow I'm pretty sure that without being there, without facing all of those challenges and solving all of those issues, I wouldn't be able to do it now.